Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make money with Airbnb without owning property. For example, you can see that this person right here has made over $70,000 selling Airbnb welcome book template. And you can see how the welcome book template looks, as you can see right here. And I'll be showing you how you can make these using Canva. And this person also has made welcome sign, as you can see here, for Airbnb properties. And numerous persons are doing this because if you were to go onto Etsy and type in Airbnb welcome book, you can see that there are numerous sellers that are selling welcome book, and each one of them, or at least majority of them, are making money daily doing this. And this is a passive way to make money online that anyone can do from anywhere in the world. All you need is reliable internet access, and you just need to dedicate some time and build your skill. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go onto canva.com. Canva.com is a platform that you can sign up for completely free. All you'll need is your email address. Once on Canva, you're going to type in Airbnb in the search bar. From here, you will see the option Airbnb welcome book. You're going to tap on that. After you have done that, you're going to be redirected to a new page. And from here, you will see numerous welcome book templates that you can choose from. So all you'll need to do is scroll down and you can see the different welcome book templates. By the way, any one of them that you see with the crown that says Pro, that means that you would have to be a paid subscriber on Canva to access that particular plan. But either way it goes, to be a paid subscriber on Canva isn't all that expensive. All you'll have to pay, I think, is about $6. So all you'll need to do now is scroll down until you find a template that you like that does not require you to be a paid subscriber. For example, this template right here, as you can see right here, this is a nice one. So all you'll have to do is tap on the template that you like. After you have tapped on the template, you'll get a better view of how it looks and how many pages are there. And if you don't like that particular template but you want something similar, you could scroll down to right where you see more like this. And from here, you can choose from other templates. As you can see right here, here is another template that looks good also that you could use right here. So all you have to do is scroll down until you see one that you like. So let's say, for example, I want to use this one instead. So I'll tap on that one, then I'll tap on customize this template. And the thing that I love about Canva is with these templates, they are quite easy to edit. And once you have edited them, you can upload them just as your own and they will look beautiful. In fact, the person that I showed you earlier that is selling the welcome books right here, they are selling the Canva template. Because if you were to scroll down, you can see that it is a digital download. So you'll download a PDF. And once you have downloaded the PDF, you'll be able to edit it. So let me show you right here. Simply learn more. You can see it is a customizable template. So basically, they're selling a Canva template that once the person purchases it, they will simply sign into Canva and then they'll be able to edit the template, as you can see right here. Sync and edit on Canva, as you can see here. And also the beautiful thing about with Etsy, you can see that they have shown all of the welcome pages, all of the pages that are currently in this book. So all you would have to do now is create a book just like this with all of these pages as headings, as you can see right here. So let's go back into Canva. And from here you can see our template. So the first thing you'll do is simply scroll down. And from here, if you would like to change the photo, let's say I want to use a different photo, all you'll have to do is go over to the left hand menu option right where you see elements. Then from there, you could type in house. Then tap on enter. After you have done that, you will see numerous photos of house that you can add. As you can see right here, you could tap on see all. Then from here you can scroll down until you see a photo that you like. For example, this one right here. Then you can simply tap and drag and place it, so you can see that it has changed right there. Then you can also change the text style if you want, or change the font if you want. So let's say instead of it being beige, I want to change the color. All you have to do is highlight the text, then you'll tap on the capital A, and from there you can change the text color. So let's say I want it to be this color instead. You can see how it looks right there. And you can also edit each text box, and you can also change the images right here, which is why this is a good idea, as with these you'll be able to sell the template just like that person did, and the customer that purchases it will be able to edit it, so they'll be able to edit it on their own. Or another thing that you could do, instead of selling the template, you could create an Etsy page on which you allow them to give you the information. So you'll be basically create a questionnaire, and once the customer fills out a questionnaire, you would come into this section and you will be able to customize it for them and then do a delivery. So instead of charging the basic price that this person charged right here, which is $9.39, you'll be able to charge a more premium price, as you'll be saving the customer money. And you can see that with $9.39 that they are charging, and they have made over 8,703 sales. They have made thus far $78,000 selling Canva templates. So although you may not believe that persons would be purchasing Canva templates since they can do it themselves, persons are actually doing this. And also, if you look at this one right here, which is from the same customer, they have made over 8,710 sales, and all they're doing right here is selling the welcome sign, which again you can edit in Canva, as you can see right here, and this is an example of how they do it. So all you have to do is simply edit the template right here to your liking, and once you have edited the template to your liking, you are going to go onto Etsy, and once on Etsy you are going to create an account, and it is quite easy to create an Etsy account. After you have created the Etsy account, you are going to tap on Shop Manager, and once you have tapped on Shop Manager, you'll be redirected to this page, and from here you can upload your listing. So you are going to upload a mock-up image just like this person did right here. So you are going to upload mock-up images just like here, so the customer can see what they are purchasing, the templates that they are purchasing. And it is quite easy to create mock-up images. There are numerous videos or tutorials on how to do that. And once you have created the mock-up images, you'll place it right here. Then you'll scroll down, and you can also add the listing details. So you will add a title, and you can also add what the listing is about, who made the listing, and all of that. And after you have scrolled down, you are going to tap on digital, and from here you are going to add a description. After you have added the description, you are going to scroll down and you are going to fill out the rest of information. Then you can fill in the price right here that you want to sell it for, and after you have done that, you are going to tap on save and continue, and then you'll continue with filling it out. And as you can see right there, Etsy does charge a small fee, as it is not completely free to list, but this is a good idea to make some passive income online. And it is quite easy to use Canva. After you're finished editing, all you'll have to do is tap on share in the top right hand corner. Once you have tapped on share, you're going to scroll down. Then from here, you're going to see the option download. You can either select download if you would like to download it and upload it as a PDF, or you can tap on the template link. Then you'll tap on copy, and you could add this in the PDF, as this would be the link that once the customer purchases it, they'll have access to this link so that they can edit the template. Again, let me show you how you get access to this. All you have to do is tap on share in the top right hand corner. Then you are going to tap on template link, and you are going to simply copy this link. Once you have copied this link, you are going to upload it with your listing. So you are going to edit the clickable link in your PDF, and once the customer purchases the PDF or purchases your listing, they will have access to this link, as you can see right here, a digital download. So you're going to provide one PDF, and in that PDF will have the clickable link. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative, and I hope this encourages you to try and make some money online using Etsy and also Airbnb, as there are numerous persons that are getting into Airbnb daily and they want a welcome book, or they either want a welcome sign. So you can definitely start creating listings on Etsy, and hopefully you will start making sales. There are numerous YouTube channels that dedicate their videos completely towards Etsy and also how to make money using Etsy. So if this video was not in detail enough for you, you can definitely watch one of those tutorials, and I hope you get nothing but success. But just remember that making money either online or otherwise, it does take time and dedication. And again, thank you for watching this video until the end.